Hello and welcome to another CADimensions Tech Tip. My name is Jesse. Here's the scenario. Your boss walks in and says, "Sprague, I need an update on the Peterson thingy-mabobber project. Post haste. Have a presentation put together by 2 p.m. I mean, my boss doesn't demand presentations with the voice of an old-timey newspaper tycoon, but if yours does, I have the solution for you. Now, any self-respecting SOLIDWORKS user would go straight into SOLIDWORKS Visualize for presentation materials, and rightly so. But in this scenario, we don't have time. We need a collection of images that looks halfway decent, and we need them now. So what do? You fire up SOLIDWORKS and you try to get things looking as good as possible. So we flip on real view, shadows, ambient occlusion, and turn edges off. And then you start grabbing screenshots, right? We copy and paste them into PowerPoint and we get the dreaded white box in the background. It looks awful. Heaven forbid you do one of these numbers and try to color remove the background with a background remover or something like that. Just awful. I don't participate in this kind of lunacy. I'm here to tell you there's a better way, and here's how it goes. The trick is getting the right file format and the right options for that format. What we want is a PNG file. The reason for this is PNG file stores what's called an alpha channel. It's just a fancy way of saying transparency. That means that every pixel of a PNG can be one of millions of colors or it can be clear. File formats like JPEG don't support this. So to take advantage of this, all we have to do is go to File, Save As, and choose PNG as our file type. Now before we get too excited, there's one more step. We just need to let SOLIDWORKS know that we want to use the alpha channel and remove the background. So to do this, we just need to select the options and choose the checkbox for Remove Background. Now again, this is only available for formats that support it, like a PNG, a TIFF, and so on, and for versions of SOLIDWORKS 2014 or newer. Once we save the PNG with no background, we can simply drag, copy, or insert the image into PowerPoint and we're all set. Now it does capture the whole screen, so usually I'll crop the image down in PowerPoint just to the area that I need. The rest is transparent anyway, but it just makes working with the presentation a little bit easier. Now, if you've been clever, you've seen this coming and saved camera views along the way. If this is the case, you can ratchet through them and save them out in no time. Drag them all in, put some notes on it, and you're all set. I created the images and put this little dummy presentation together in 15 minutes or so, since I already had all the camera angles saved. Well, I hope you enjoyed this CADimensions Tech Tip, and I hope it leads you to better quality presentations even when you're in a race against the clock. We'll see you next time.
Don't forget to check us out on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and our blog for more great content by clicking on the links in the description below.